19 codes. We're doing a diagnostic today on this thing. Sounds like crap. What this guy did? Does some crap under here. Wet spots here and right there. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and scan it because this boy needed a scan like yesterday. PCM 19 codes. Okay, every cylinder is misfiring. Every one. Camshaft position sensor A. Camshaft position sensor bank 2. Bank 2. Sensor A and sensor B camshaft. Evap leak. Engine starter performance. Everything's misfiring here. This right here, 19 codes. Alright guys, this car is unfixable. Here's right in here. See what this thing says. And there we have it. Absolutely no oil inside the motor. Yep, he was about ready to lock this thing up. I actually have not heard a car sound this bad in ages. This has got to be I think it's like a 2018, 2019, somewhere around there. Maybe a 2020. And there's no oil. The whole reason I came over here is that the motor was smoking. Well, we can see that it's leaking somewhere at the bottom. Also, there's no oil. And I'm sure it's been driven like this. I don't know how it's even possible because of how bad it's misfiring. So here's the thing. If you see smoke, if it's driving bad, your vehicle, stop driving it. Let's go ahead and get up underneath there, man. See what we got. Now, just from the looks of it right here, you see there's some oil dripping there. It's really moist around this area. It looks like you can actually see some oil coming off that oil filter. Oil filter is definitely leaking. This drain pan right here, the plug, looks like it's leaking a bit. Oil pan gasket is leaking. You can see right along there where that pan is dry and where it's wet. That thing is totally leaking. Right here. So they cut the resonator off, going all the way to the back. That's all that we can do. That's all we can do here, guys. So we have a leaking oil pan gasket. We have a leaking oil filter. We have a multiple cylinder misfire on every cylinder. Camshaft sensor A and camshaft sensor B problem. We're getting out of here, okay guys? So don't do this to your Mustang. And if y'all have not yet, make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, subscribe to our other channels, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and we have a Facebook community. All the guys meet up and we just go live, do guy things, do guy talks when it comes to motors and all sorts of guy stuff. Appreciate your support. Also check out those 360 series where every view is from the 360. We get a lot of good content doing that type of stuff. More vlogish, but you'll enjoy it if you like guy entertainment. So, to the next time, Puro Mobile, we're out of here.